Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you a Dollarama haul. I went into Dollarama for a couple of personal things, and of course I took a look down the craft section, and of course I left with a gazillion things. So I'll share with you the first couple little personal type items. Camping season is just opening up around not next week, the week after. So I got some salt and pepper to add to our camper. Then of course I got some soap. Well, you know I bought some of these, right? So you gotta hide those in the craft room and take some to work. So I got those. I got this box for an embellishment box. And then I bought several more of these so that when they're empty, they're like this, and it's great to send out. Nice small little embellishment box. And I just wanted to start decorating them and getting them ready. So I'm going to donate the things that are on the inside. Since I bought several of them, we already have some as spare, so I'll donate that stuff. I bought this. Isn't that sweet? It's like a teal color. And the video kind of looks blue, but I'm gonna sit that on my desk and put some of the things that I use, like my pens and all that, and my hole punches and all that good stuff that I use crafting, just so it's here. And I thought it was super cute, so I got that. Look at these, aren't they just adorable flamingos? I was never really into this stuff until I started seeing, until I started doing some paper crafts and that, but those are super cute. Love it. And they're gel ones, so gel stickers. And then I was going down the aisle and I saw these keychains, Canadian keychains, but take a look at that. Look, it has a little purse with the maple leaf on it. And I love Canada. And then the little boot. Isn't that adorable? So that'd be a nice little charm to add to things. So I got, they only had 3 left, and so I picked those up. Nice little charms. And then I got these fuchsia flowers. I got a few other colors, but then I haven't seen the fuchsia colors, and I thought those were just a pretty color. So vibrant. It's really, really pretty. I saw these clip tabs and I thought it'd be a good way to maybe add onto them, and where they already have the base of it, so might be able to do something with that. Thought they were cute and they're really nice colors. Give that a try. Oh, and this I bought for when I'm camping. I like to take the dog on long walks when my husband's fishing, and it's compressible, like it expands in that. So I thought that would be great for when I carry his water or we have the taps. I can just fill it up and it's nice and flat and put it in my backpack that I take. I found some more straws with different colors. I think I have this color already, but so I got the purple and the gray. Add for some embellishments. It's a hard time finding the mounting tape, but I found it at one of the stores that I went to. We have a lot of Dollarama stores here in the city of Halifax and Dartmouth, and so I try to visit different ones. And so I picked up 3 of those where it's really hard to find. So at least I got that for dimensional tape. Then I found these sequin sticker butterflies. Are they not adorable? And this one's like a pinkish white, and of course that's blue. So I picked up several of those so that I can add or give away. And these are also to add maybe into embellishments or as gifts or to use on stuff. So, oh, upside down. So they're just paper butterflies. So I got a couple pink because everybody loves pink. And blue. So you can see the different sizes of butterflies on there. And there's 32 per pack, so that's pretty cute. I got more of the Velcro dots, so I can put those away. Then I got smaller bags. These are the Ziploc bags, but they're still great bags to use. Got those ones. I have the size above it and below it. And this is the first time, I hadn't been to this Dollarama in probably a year or so, but I found these gold stickers, and $1.25, you really can't go wrong. So they're just quotes, and so we have that. So life is about the little moments, what we love, and there's really a lot of different ones on there. And then there was, you can't really see that. Let's see if I can put something. No, I don't have anything to go on the back. So there it says fly high, memories, take on the world, follow your heart. So that one's a nice one. And then there was this one. Almost the same as the other one. And then you have that one. And then you still have another of different sayings. So I thought these might even be really nice for cards and that as well. And then this was the last one. And then I just picked up the three duplicates of others, maybe as gifts again, or add to a rack for somebody. So I have those. Then I found these, and they're the letter stickers, and they're the gold foil. This might be nice to add a name to an embellishment box or something like that. And I picked up several of the gold, because gold I would probably use more than any of the colors. And then I found a red and a silver. Good to put away in my stash. And I found these little dollar store craft paper pads. You know, cute little designs inside. You can use them for something, and that's a duplicate. This one is more like a birthday one. It has flags, cupcakes, rosettes. So thought that was cute, but that's what's in there. And that's what's in that one. So you really can't go wrong. I mean, $1.25, I'm sure I'll use it for something. If not, my niece will probably use it for something. Of course, I picked up more of these bags just to put away. Then I found these paper flowers. Look at that color. Pink and the mint green. It's so pretty. And then I found it with a peach and pink. And then I found this different style flower with pink. It's so nice to be able to go to different dollar stores to find different items that you don't normally get at the ones that you go to. And of course my secret stash, don't tell hubby. Then I picked up these little diamond. I'm sure it's supposed to light up or something like that, but I'll have to get it to work first and put a battery or something in it. But even just like that is super cute. Might be good for a little giveaway or to add to something. Hubby is had me out gardening. I'm not one for bugs and gardening. I don't like doing that stuff, but you know, I've been trying to help him out with it. So that's that. Then I found these little containers. Look how adorable they are. And white inside. It's not just a plain metal. Really pretty birds on that one. That one has that. Might be nice when you're sending out gifts to add something in it. They had really, these were the different designs that they had. And I just got another one of that one. I meant to get one of each, but I'll take the extra. And I think the last thing that I got was this journal. Loved it with the bows and that on it. So I can use a journal to add my stuff in and all that. And actually, I have another. This is an AliExpress haul. Might as well share it with you now. And this one is the ticket or the film. So it's not shining. Thought those were sweet. Different. So finally got those in. These were from the beginning of March, I think I ordered. So it is taking quite some time, but understandably. I don't mind waiting for it. So then these are the Alpha Chips stickers, and 112 pieces, me and my big ideas. And these people are my favorite. Think of you and smile, friends. And it's more like a friend one. So it's like a lot of best friend, inside joke, the best years are now, perfect picture, besties, shameless selfie. Yeah, I got lots of those. Friends forever. I can't take selfies. I mean, when I take them, they're not pretty at all. They're not pretty at all. That's what I got for AliExpress and the Dollarama. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.